The pineapple corer and slicer is a handy kitchen tool specifically designed to make the process of preparing fresh pineapples quick, easy, and mess-free. This specialized gadget streamlines the task of coring and slicing pineapples, allowing you to enjoy the sweet and juicy fruit with minimal effort. The pineapple corer and slicer typically consists of a handle and a cylindrical blade assembly. The handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to exert downward pressure while rotating the tool. The blade assembly features a sharp circular blade and a series of small cutting blades or tines around its perimeter. To use the pineapple corer and slicer, start by removing the crown of the pineapple and placing the tool's circular blade over the exposed core. With a gentle downward pressure, begin rotating the tool in a clockwise motion, gradually pushing the blade into the pineapple flesh. As you continue rotating, the tool's cutting blades or tines will penetrate the pineapple, effectively slicing it into even rings. Once the tool has reached the bottom of the pineapple, pull it out carefully along with the core and sliced rings. You'll be left with perfectly cored and evenly sliced pineapple rings, ready to be enjoyed as a refreshing snack, used in recipes or added to fruit salads and desserts. The advantages of using a pineapple corer and slicer are numerous. It significantly reduces the time and effort required to core and slice a pineapple manually. What would normally be a cumbersome and messy process becomes quick and efficient with the help of this tool. It saves you from the hassle of using a knife to remove the tough outer skin and core, as the corer and slicer do the work for you. The pineapple corer and slicer ensure consistent and uniform slices. The circular blade and cutting blades or tines are specifically designed to cut through the pineapple in a way that produces evenly sized rings. This not only enhances the visual appeal of the sliced pineapple, but also makes it easier to serve and incorporate into various recipes. Using a pineapple corer and slicer helps minimize waste. The tool's design is optimized to extract as much fruit as possible, efficiently removing the core while leaving behind minimal flesh attached to the skin. This means you can enjoy more of the delicious fruit without discarding a significant portion of it. Cleaning the pineapple corer and slicer is typically a straightforward process. Most models are dishwasher safe, allowing for easy and convenient cleaning. Alternatively, you can rinse the tool under running water and use a brush to remove any residual fruit or juice. In fine, the pineapple corer and slicer is a valuable kitchen tool that simplifies the process of preparing fresh pineapples. With its efficient coring and slicing mechanism, it saves time, reduces waste, and ensures uniform slices of this tropical fruit. Whether you're a pineapple lover or someone who frequently incorporates pineapple into your cooking and baking, this tool is a practical and convenient addition to your kitchen arsenal. See you tomorrow. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe button.